So step 5, repair, recognize, and trust your intuition. And this is somatic practice 2, discernment, fear versus intuition, knowing which voice to trust. It's accompanied by frequency 741 Hz, as was the inner standing and the first somatic practice, because 741 clears mental noise and doubt, supports self-expression and inner truth, helps release external conditionings and opinions, and activates your inner authority. The purpose of this practice is to deepen your ability to discern between fear and intuition by learning how each one feels in your body. But before we begin, let's set a gentle intention. Say softly aloud or within, I trust myself to recognize what is true. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale and a longer, softer exhale, allowing your body to settle even more deeply. Now, bring to mind something in your life that feels uncertain, a decision, a direction, a next step, something you've been going back and forth on. Let it be present without trying to solve it. First, let's notice fear. Now, notice what arises first. Often fear appears quickly. It may sound like, what if this goes wrong? What if I make a mistake? What will others think? It tries to pull you into the future, imagined outcomes, and the need to control. Now pause and bring your awareness into your body. As those thoughts arise, what happens physically? Just notice, does your chest tighten? Does your stomach feel heavy or unsettled? Do your shoulders tense? Does your breath become shallow? Fear often feels like pressure, contradiction, urgency, and a push to act or a pull to avoid. Take a slow breath and continue to feel it, and gently acknowledge, this is fear speaking. No need to push it away, just recognize it. I'm going to give you a moment to just be with that so you can get really clear on what fear feels like. Now we're going to sense intuition. So let the mental noise soften and gently ask within, what does my deeper knowing feel like? Not what you think, but what you feel. And wait. Intuition doesn't rush, it doesn't argue, and it doesn't overwhelm. It often feels quiet, steady, grounded, and simple. You may notice a shift in your body. Perhaps your breath deepens naturally, your chest softens, your body feels more open. There is a subtle sense of ease. Even if the answer is not fully clear, there is often a feeling of calm certainty or neutral clarity. Intuition doesn't need to prove itself. It simply knows. So let's get our bodies anchored. gently place one hand on your heart and one on your lower abdomen. Feel your breath moving between your hands, rising and falling. And let your awareness settle here. Then ask again, what feels true for me right now? And this time, listen only for sensation. Not words, not explanations, just the felt response. You may notice a gentle expansion, representing a yes, or a subtle contraction, representing a no. Trust what you feel. Even if your mind is still uncertain. And I want you to notice the contrast. Fear feels like pressure, urgency, and contradiction. Intuition feels like calm, steadiness, quiet clarity. And both may be present, but they do not feel the same. Your body can tell the difference. Take one more slow breath in and exhale fully, and gently affirm, I trust the calm, steady voice within me. And as you return to your space, carry this awareness with you, knowing that in any moment of uncertainty, you can pause and feel and recognize what is true for you. And as you continue to return to your surroundings, bring this awareness with you, knowing that this discernment is always available to you in every moment, in every decision. You don't need to figure everything out. You only need to listen, feel, and trust. Let's stay present just a little longer to take a moment of reflection and for you to know this. Trusting intuition is like floating in calm. You can feel the deep wisdom that lives beneath your thoughts, the quiet, ancient part of you that knows how to drift gracefully through the unfolding mystery of life. You are empowered to rise above the noise, to float in calm as effortlessly as light moves across water. Calm is the doorway to healing, the soft descent into the parasympathetic hum, where the body remembers safety and the heart remembers peace, and you know what is true. Imagine yourself drifting from one pillowy cloud to another, suspended in a sky made of ease, held by something warm, something timeless. Feel serenity settling into your bones, your breath deepening, your inner tide smoothing as your nervous system softens into a natural rhythm of restoration and repair. Let calm lift you. Let calm carry you. Let calm become the place your soul calls home. Your calm will let you know for sure that that is your intuition speaking. Now take another deep breath and repeat aloud. I rise above the noise of life and I float in the calm of my intuition. I am carried by peace, guided by inner wisdom, and gently restored from within. Each breath softens me, each moment steadies me, and I move through the world held, supported, and serene.